How to log into TINYpulse Employee Portal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log into TINYpulse Employee Portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in TINYpulse Employee Login and hit enter. Click on the first link in the search results. On the TINYpulse homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner. On the login page, enter your email address, then tap on continue, then tap on the password. Make sure your information is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link and follow the instruction to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the login button. You are now logged into TINYpulse Employee Portal. From your dashboard, you can participate in surveys, provide feedbacks, and track employment engagement. And that's it. You have successfully logged into TINYpulse Employee Portal. If you have any questions or need help, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.